In this course, I will guide you through 3 cloud painting tutorials. Each one is carefully designed to show you how I create soft atmospheric skies. The brushes. It does not matter what brand of brush you have. You see, the main important part is what type of brush it is. See, this is a different brand than this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. But pay attention to what is the main characteristic. They are all round, pointed, hog bristle brushes, and they are large. So there are different sizes I use. I use mostly large brushes in my painting, and I use medium-sized brushes, and I use even some small ones, but those are rarely used if I'm painting very small. But in the tutorials I'm sharing with you, I will be using the extra large, these jumbo brushes, and the medium-sized brushes. All the details are in my free brush guide. Remember to download that guide. It will help you find local suppliers for these type of brushes in your region. You might not find the same brand of brush, but it's very similar brushes that are in your region, as not every brand available in every country. The link for the brush guide is in my bio or below this video.